$700. You can see Tesla made this high here, pushed up, kind of consolidated here in this box, broke below, and we ended up downtrending. You can see this pattern that the algo draws out here. When we're following pre-market that morning, I noticed we fell really heavy pre-market. We fell from 727 down to 700 pre-market. You can see over here we bounced off this 700 support area before. So if we go into the trade here, you can see we pushed up off the open. We made the low of 697 pre-market, like I was telling you guys about. I didn't really like that we had broke 700, but we opened right at 700. So the low of day after we opened was 700, right on the dot. We had this very aggressive push up to 717, and then this very aggressive selling pressure coming right back down. So here I'm just setting alerts, to be ready for my entry. And we can literally just watch the selling pressure here on Tesla. And this is NQ over here. You can see NQ dropping here, going for the low as well. So you can see here Tesla, the selling pressure is kicking in here very rapidly. We're starting to fall super aggressively. NQ made the low. So in my head, I'm like, if this breaks 700 or 701, I'm in. You can see we made the low right at 701. I'm just waiting. And 701 broke. I get in right before the 700 break. NQ's making a low here. And you can see this wall here on level 2 is huge. It's over like 700, 800 on the wall. You can see it when we get closer right over here. And the selling pressure is still there, so I'm just being patient. I'm using above 705 as my stop loss here. It was never even really red. I doubled down my position right before 700 breaks here. The wall's getting chipped away. We're at 600 now. Look at it go. 500. It's coming back. It keeps chipping it away little by little. You can see I'm up nicely on these contracts. I'm already up almost 10%. Or 5% on the contracts before it even breaks here. See the walls, the boom, it cracks instantly. We fall. We end up making the low. I was waiting for the low to be made for my target. And then I didn't get the sell fill. I got greedy and tried to use the order entry window, but I just was patient. I let my order rock. And I end up getting filled right here for $734. And I'm super proud of myself for keeping that a scalp. Stuck to my plan. Scalp 700 into the low. We didn't even make the low, but it was close enough for me to just be like, alright, I'm going to take my profits and be done with this. But you can see we end up pushing up here all the way up to 709. And, I would have been decently red here on these contracts if I stayed in. So I'm super happy I kept it a scalp. And then you can see the selling pressure is right back in. NQ is going for another low. Tesla's coming back down. I end up playing this right before the low. I should have got back in at 700 though, because this happened so quickly, if I'm being completely honest. See the selling pressure here. Boom. I could have got right back in here to test the low at 700. Boom. We snap all the way down. I'm in. I was in late as heck here. My target for this was the 695 break. So you can see this is just patience here. I'm only in with one contract. I'm in super light. I made my profit. I'm not trying to mess anything up. Stop loss is 703 here. We end up falling back down. I could have added. That's the one thing I wish I did here more. I wish I added more to this position when we came back down. Like right here is when I should have started adding. The selling pressure was there. The candle went green to red. We end up cracking through this low here. There it goes. 695. I sold, take my profit, but look, 695 is about to break. Boom, 695 broke. I could have got another 150 a contract there, but still, selling early never hurts. So I was super happy with this trade. You can see we fall all the way down to 692. Just kept going. These contracts hit like a high of 18. So that was a super quick scalp for $863. I hope you guys enjoyed this recap. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe. Peace.